so weird to be on the bike trail in warm weather and the trees have nothing on them. First warm day, well, very warm March. And here's my doggy. Hi, Cookie. Hi, baby. Have you been barking at other doggies? Huh? There are some horses on the trail. Way in the distance. There we go. Here's Cookie. Hi, Cookie. I hope the camera can see you. Here we go on our bike ride. We've seen horses. We've seen a lot of dogs today. And here's a couple horsey trails where the horses can walk on the grass. Uh-oh. Here comes a doggy. The bike path in March of 2012. Ooh. There's the bare bushes and a little bit of buds on trees. What happened, monkey? Did you see a doggy? Oh, I missed your barking. I missed your barking. There's another one. Do you see this doggy? You see that doggy? Oh, yeah. Look at that dog. Okay, I have no idea what this is. I think it belongs in the tropics, not in Illinois. That is so freaky. And you gotta love the racing gate at the Forest Preserve. Oh. And then they race around here. Or practice race. Pretty fun. Oh. Do you see the horsey? There's the horsey. Do you see? Oh, there's the horsey. Biking by the horsey farm. I don't see. Hey, am I getting you here? I don't see any horses. Oh, maybe in the distance. Maybe in the distance. I saw a squirrel. Uh-oh. Horsies. Looking for horsies. Maybe we'll come up on some up here. Do you see horsies coming? Maybe. We have some up here. There's one over there. Here they are. You see the horsies, Cook? They're too far away. Far away. Do you see them? Let me see. Let me see you. Yes, here they are. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. A lot of holes in the path. There's a horsey. Do you see the horsey? Do you see the horsey? Do you see him? He's eating. Do you see the horsey eating? Oh, he's eating some grass. You don't care? Do you see the horsey? Do you see him? I know. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, lots of trouble right here. Oh, oh. God. We're going to pass another doggy. We're going to pass another doggy. On your left. Oh, that's a cute doggy. Oh, no. Oh, you gotta get him. More trail on the way home. You can see civilization on the other side of lots of prairie. Hilly prairie. Oh, I'm gonna go up a hill now. Ay, ay, ay. You see the doggies? Oh, goodness. Oh, they're cute doggies. Hi, babies. I know. Oh, lots of drool. Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh. Top of the trail. Oh, actually, that guy's going to the top of the trail. I've never been up there. Oh, yikes. There's a trail. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've never gone over there. Huh. Then where do you go? Then you stop. Huh. Oh gosh, that's a mile. That's where it looks like bike trails, and then top of the biggest hill, and then civilization and the lake. Oh, and here comes everybody else. Okay, and doggy. Can we see you? Oh, where are you? There you are. Hi, baby. I hope I'm catching you.